What if I tell you people are making over $100,000 a month from YouTube without showing their face or recording a single video themselves? This is the power of YouTube automation, and today, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. YouTube automation is quickly becoming one of the most powerful ways to build passive income online. It's a system where you build faceless YouTube channels, automated using AI tools allowing you to scale fast without ever being on camera. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to diversify your income streams, this YouTube automation step-by-step tutorial will walk you through everything. How to start a faceless YouTube channel, choose a niche, use AI to create content, and start monetizing. Think of this video as your free YouTube automation course. No fluff, no gimmicks, just real actionable steps to help you start a YouTube automation business even if you have zero experience. Many people hesitate to get started because they think they need editing skills, expensive equipment, or a personality for the camera. Let's clear that up. First, what is YouTube automation? It's the process of creating videos with AI tools or freelancers where the content is produced without you being directly involved. With today's technology, especially YouTube automation AI, you can script, voice, edit, and publish entire videos automatically. Another challenge? Niche paralysis. New creators often don't know how to pick profitable faceless YouTube channel ideas. They also fear demonetization, copyright strikes, and slow growth. These are all valid concerns, but solvable. Lastly, people often doubt it's real. I tried YouTube automation videos are everywhere, but most fail due to lack of structure or the wrong monetization approach. We'll solve all that today with proven tactics. Let's break it down into steps. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. Think in terms of monetization potential and content scalability. Great niches for faceless YouTube channels include finance tech motivation, AI tools business tips, use keyword tools to search for high-ranking keywords, and also look at YouTube automation channels already ranking in your target niche. Step 2. Set up your channel. Branding matters. Decide an attractive and self-explanatory name for your channel, which clearly depict the theme or content of your channel. Name your channel around value, not vanity. Design a professional logo and banner by using AI tools like Luca or Canva. Step 3. Content production with AI. Here's how to produce real content for a faceless YouTube channel using AI. Script writing. Use ChatGPT to create compelling scripts. Voiceover. Use 11 Labs or Murph.ai to generate voiceovers. Video creation. Use tools like Pictory, InVideo, or Runway ML for video automation. Thumbnail creation. Try Canva or Midjourney AI to create compelling thumbnails. This is how people start a YouTube automation business in 10 minutes. All tools, no filming. Step 4. SEO and optimization. Use tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ to rank. Optimize titles, descriptions, and tags using relevant keywords after a bit of research. Add compelling CTAs and pinned comments to boost engagement. Step 5. Monetization. YouTube ad revenue is just the start. You can also generate heavy income by adding affiliate links, digital products, or course promotions, like your own YouTube automation course. Combine this with YouTube Shorts automation to grow even faster. So, what separates the winners? 3 key things. 1. Consistency. Upload regularly. Batch 30 to 60 videos per month using automation. 2. Optimization. Use high-click thumbnails and test titles. 3rd, reinvestment. Use your first $1,000 to hire editors or voiceover talent, or upgrade AI tools. Let's look at a case study. A faceless YouTube channel in the finance niche grew from 0 to 200,000 subscribers in 12 months, using nothing but AI scripts, Pictory visuals, and consistent SEO. Another creator built a full YouTube automation business that now earns $80,000 every month across 3 channels. You don't need to be a YouTuber. You need a system, and that system is YouTube automation. Pick the right niche. Build your faceless YouTube channel with AI Automate content creation. Optimize for growth. Monetize with multiple income streams. That's how you make money on YouTube without showing your face. It's sustainable and smart. You now have the full YouTube automation step-by-step blueprint. If you got value, smash the like button, subscribe AI Scout for more upcoming YouTube automation tutorials, and drop your biggest question about faceless YouTube automation in the comments.